Hello, dear all beautiful students. Welcome all to our today's session with Monish sir and having the channel T20 Minutes Learning. I hope so that you are connecting in my class as previous time. If you like my class, please subscribe my channel T20 Minutes Learning. And I already supported you by doing the lots of activities and what you demand for. So we are not getting much taking time here. So directly now we will go to the our class today, and hope so that you will also connect with me all time to have the good class of your specific subject demand. Okay, so my dear students, I hope so during the corona pandemic it is very good initiatives for betterment of you I took from my side, so you will get the good benefit from my class. So now we will go to our class. Hello, dear all beautiful students. Welcome all to our today's session once again. Today we will go through another topics as the previous time with lots of SQ types of question as them. I know that your exam and on the similar period the exam will be taken. So I will take this one here. So today we will go through the chapter 7 SQ types. SQ question number 1. We will try to understand what will be in case of plant. In case of plant, how carbon dioxide be exchanged. Number 2, we will try to understand without oxygen how many time be inevitable for death. Number 3, then where the vocal cord Adam's apple are present. Number 4, what is epiglottis? Number 5, diaphragm can separate which parts of body. Number 6, sorry, carbon dioxide can be transported as sodium bicarbonate and potassium bicarbonate and potassium bicarbonate by which part of blood. And number 7, if we go through the 7 number, that is what is the main function? What is the main function of lungs? Okay, so dear students, look at here in the very important topics we started once again, and that is the chapter 7. And if we want to go through, understand about the question, short types of question, then we need to understand the topics. Already we have understood many of the topics from chapter 7, and now we will try to understand about this type of question. So if we want to go through this question, first one, that is, in case of plant, how carbon dioxide be exchanged? It is a question. Many of the students can be confused about this type of question in the exam, and if we go through, understand about that, in case of plant, how carbon dioxide be exchanged? How carbon dioxide be exchanged? We know that gaseous exchange can be done. In which way? Of course be there, but look at here. Plant, in case of plant, not the animals release that one, but carbon dioxide exchange means when plant take the carbon dioxide. In which way? Of course, in case of the plant, they can from atmosphere, getting from atmosphere directly they can carbon and oxygen capture in airy part, then they can compile together to form the carbon dioxide, or they can trap carbon dioxide in mesophyll tissues. So, my dear student, I have written here very importantly 3 important points for carbon dioxide be exchanged. Exchange means they absorb, they gain it, they receive it, then they exhale the oxygen. That means the carbon dioxide, how they can be from atmosphere, they directly can absorb directly can get the carbon dioxide. They can capture the carbon and oxygen in the airy part, means the leaves can capture that one, and finally they ensure of getting the relation. So carbon and oxygen making sure the relation to form the carbon dioxide. Okay, then sometimes they can make sure the trap of mesophyll tissues and capture the carbon dioxide and make it ensuring inside the trap of that mesophyll tissues. So in this way, in case of plant, carbon dioxide be exchanged. Exchange means that when they getting this one, receiving this one, then release the oxygen. So gaseous exchange will be there. Okay, by the way, second one, if we want to understand, without oxygen, how many times be inevitable for death? That means how many times without oxygen we can be survived. That is the question. So What will be the answer? Without oxygen, the 3 to 4 minutes a man, living things. It can vary from living things to living things, but almost available 3 to 4 minutes. This 3 to 4 minutes time without oxygen, living things are survive, or if it is not possible after then it is very tough to survive. Okay, so third one, if we want to go through, where the vocal cord, Adam's apple are present. We know everyone that the larynx, this will be the larynx. Short question but important. Every chapter it is going through the short question, but it is very important one. If we want to understood about the short question on that specific case, then it will be very importantly done, that this type of short question can asking in the exam. So larynx is the correct answer, and we know that one. Epiglottis is another kinds. Okay, it is another kinds. Tongue, small tongue like structure can be found also in the larynx. It also found in the larynx. Epiglottis is also very important parts, and it present in the larynx. It is a small tongue like structure that can separate inside the trachea. One, you can understand about that one, breathing canal and food canal. Okay, on them we have seen a very small types of tongue like structure is epiglottis present in the larynx. We understand this one also. Diaphragm can separate which part of the body. You know everyone, it is also a very important question. We know many of the question answer we know easily, but sometimes any known question can be also not gettable, not memorized. I cannot ensure that I cannot remember that one. Maybe like that types of happening can be happened on that case. So you will be not confused about that, so that we will try to understand this SQ types of question. So we know about the chest cavity and abdominal cavity. Chest cavity and abdominal cavity. Chest cavity and abdominal cavity. So diaphragm can separate the chest cavity and abdominal cavity, so that chest and abdomen are separated by a layer. It is the diaphragm. So very important, another one. And number 6 is very important. This is very important one. It is asking lots of time in the exam. Carbon dioxide can be transported as sodium bicarbonate and potassium bicarbonate by which part of the body, of the blood? Which part of the blood? So if we want to understand about that, this sodium bicarbonate transported, carbon dioxide transported as sodium bicarbonate by plasma, and this one by red blood cell or red blood corpuscle. So very important one. Carbon dioxide not directly as carbon dioxide can be transported, they can be transported by sodium bicarbonate or potassium bicarbonate, and when they transported as the sodium bicarbonate, it is transported by plasma, and potassium bicarbonate as a transported by carbon dioxide transported as potassium bicarbonate by red blood corpuscle or red blood cell or RBC short form. We can know about that. And later on, what is the main function of lungs? Yes, many of the function, lungs is very common and prominent part of the respiratory system, and what is the main functions of lungs? Okay, main functions. There are lots of functions, but what is the main functions? They always try to ensure the clean blood passing, or you can ensure the oxygenated blood they can transport it. This is very important one. So we can write the main function is oxygenated blood to carry. Oxygenated blood to carry, of course, and when oxygenated blood to carry on there to clean the lungs, then the oxygenated blood also go through the heart, and by pumping we can ensuring the sound health of us, and we can ensure the gaseous exchange through where we can expel carbon dioxide and inhale oxygen. So very important. These are the many of the functions you can write, but this is very important. So what the learning of today? In case of plant, how many carbon dioxide be exchanged? I told you, from atmosphere directly, carbon and oxygen captured separately in the air part and make sure to reaction to make it carbon dioxide, can trap carbon dioxide in the mesophil tissues. Without oxygen, how many times be inevitable for death? 3 to 4 minutes. Without then after, it is very tough for survival. Where the vocal cord atoms are present, larynx is the very important part, just above the trachea. The part is there in the respiratory system. There is present. What is epiglottis? Is also a small tongue-like structure. It is also present in the larynx that can ensure to separate the food canal, and also we have seen the breathing canal. And diaphragm can separate which part of the body? We know the chest cavity and abdominal cavity can be separated by diaphragm, a very important part. Also respiratory parts. Carbon dioxide can be transported in two ways: sodium bicarbonate, potassium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate by plasma is transported, potassium bicarbonate by RBC or red blood cell. What is the main function of the lungs? Many of the functions I told you, that is the oxygenated blood to carry, to make it purify, and helping in the pumping of the heart and expelling carbon dioxide. So this is all about the today's topics, chapter 7. Very importantly, we will ensure the note as you did previous time. Do it properly and take good preparation for the exam. That's all about today. Allah Hafiz.